Here is the 5-in-1 hair mask. I just put out the shower after you shampoo and condition. You put it on and it brings back moisture into the hair. So this is the 3-in-1 blower brush. Let's open up the box. So here it is. It has a 360 swivel cord on it, so it won't get tangled when you're styling. It has the negative ion technology, which stops the growth of bacteria. It has infrared technology, which results in more moisture and less damage to the hair. It has a unique crystal process that results in a high volume of negative ions. You can adjust the settings from high, low, and to cool. I'm going to put its setting on high. After I blow dried, I recommend this product to all of my girlfriends because it makes it so quick and easy to get this look. And if I wanted to, I can straighten it more, or I can go out just like this.